If you're feeling stressed, having anxious thoughts, or your body just won't chill out, these are symptoms you may be dealing with a dysregulated nervous system. The good news is there's one nerve called the vagus nerve that can reset your nervous system in minutes so you can reduce anxiety, improve sleep, and make you feel human again. So, on today's episode of Live Lean TV, I'll show the best vagus nerve reset exercises you can do, as well as reviewing a brand new vagus nerve stimulation device called the Neuropod that does it effortlessly for you. And I'm wearing it right now. And to be respectful of your time, I've included timestamps to each section in the description. Before we jump into the top vagus nerve reset exercises, let me quickly explain what the vagus nerve is and the most common signs of dysfunction. Vagus nerve function and location. Think of it as your body's secret highway that carries signals between your brain and body. It starts in your brainstem, then runs down your neck, through your chest, and into your stomach to connect your heart, lungs, and gut. When traffic flows smoothly, stress goes down, digestion improves, and you actually feel human instead of a wired up robot. But when the road's jammed, you feel anxiety, poor sleep, and stomach issues can hit hard. Here are the most common vagus nerve dysfunction symptoms: anxious thoughts, poor sleep, digestive issues, and feeling constantly stressed. The good news, it can be fixed by incorporating vagus nerve reset exercises into your daily routine. Or you can fix it effortlessly by using a vagus nerve stimulation device like the Neuropod. Before I share how to use the Neuropod, let's first talk about the best free ways to stimulate your vagus nerve. Vagus nerve reset stimulation music, meditation, and breathing exercises. If you want to instantly calm your stress and reset your nervous system, your breath holds the key. In my experience, I find pairing vagus nerve breathing exercises with guided meditation using background healing music frequencies creates the ultimate trifecta for resetting my vagus nerve. My go-to breathing exercises are diaphragmatic deep belly breathing. To do this, you inhale through your nose while filling your belly with air for 4 seconds. Then you exhale for 6 seconds as your belly flattens. Then you repeat. I also like using 4-4-4 box breathing. To do this, you inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, hold the breath for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, then hold your breath for 4 seconds and repeat. And I also like following guided vagus nerve meditations and yoga nidra meditations from a fellow YouTube creator called Chibs. So you can try following a 5-minute, a 10-minute, or a 20-minute guided meditation with background music healing frequencies featuring 20 to 30 hertz binaural beats or sound bowls in the morning to set your day, or in the evening to unwind after a long day. Also, humming or making the sound with your jaw relaxed and gap between your teeth for 2 to 5 minutes. Gargling or singing can also help reset the vagus nerve. Vagus nerve reset exercises, neck stretches, and eye movement techniques. The following neck stretches, eye movement techniques can stimulate the vagus nerve pathways to activate the parasympathetic rest and reset response. And shout out to fellow YouTuber Suki Baxter, who I watched your videos, who taught me how to do a few of these exercises. Number 1, the neck and rib cage stretch with eye movement. So this neck and rib cage stretch with eye movement relieves neck tension and helps shift your nervous system into a calm state. To do this, sit comfortably on a chair or on the floor. Place your left hand on top of your head and tilt your left ear towards your left shoulder. Place your right hand on the left side of your rib cage and gently pull to create a backward C shape with your spine. Keep your head still and move your eyes up to the right. Hold for 30 seconds or more. Then release and repeat on the other side. Number 2, the vagus nerve SCM stretch. So the vagus nerve SCM stretch reduces tension in the neck and can help with migraines or headaches. Here's how you do it. Lie face down on a soft floor or mat. Place your elbows under your shoulders with hands flat on the floor. Use the muscles on the side of your neck to turn your head and look over your shoulder. Hold for 30 seconds, then release. Repeat on the other side. Number 3, the vagus nerve eye movement exercise stimulates the vagus nerve. Here's how to do it. Lie on your back with knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Interlace your fingers behind your head to cradle your skull. Move your eyes to one side without moving your head and hold for 30 seconds. And repeat on the other side. And if you feel a yawning or swallowing sensation while doing these exercises, it is a positive sign your vagus nerve is being stimulated. 4 vagus nerve stimulation massages for the ears. Try these to calm your nervous system, reduce stress, and improve sleep. Number 1, the ear ridge circles ear massage. So place your finger gently on the ear ridge just above your ear canal. Then apply light pressure and move your finger in small circles, sliding the skin as you go. Repeat for 30 seconds, then repeat on the other ear. Number 2, ear canal circles ear massage. Place your finger gently on your ear canal. With your palm facing behind you, press your finger lightly toward the back of your head. Gently move your finger in small circular motions, sliding the skin as you go. Repeat for 30 seconds, then repeat on the other ear. Number 3, the ear pull ear massage. Gently grab your ear and pull it outward and away from your skull for 10 seconds or more. Release, then gently pull your ear down for 10 seconds or more. Then lastly, gently pull your ear up for 10 seconds or more. Then repeat on the other ear. And number 4, the skin behind the ear massage. Place your finger on the skin behind your ear between your ear and hairline. Gently pull the skin upward and hold for 10 seconds or more. Then gently pull the skin downward and hold for 10 seconds or more. Finally, pull the skin backward toward the back of your head and hold for 10 seconds or more. Then repeat on the other ear. Try this in the morning, before bed, or anytime you have a headache or need to release tension in your neck or jaw. Best vagus nerve stimulation device. Here's the Neuropod review. There's a vagus nerve stimulation device that can reset your nervous system so you can effortlessly reduce stress, relax, and feel calm. The Neuropod is a wearable, non-invasive vagus nerve stimulation device that flips your body from fight or flight mode into chill mode without any work. And I've been using it for the past few weeks, and my deep sleep scores have improved, and I've been waking up without feeling groggy. I also just feel much more relaxed. It's hard to describe, but it's just a feeling of calmness. And here's how easy it is to use. Moisten your left tragus with water to improve conductivity. Place the earpiece firmly on your left tragus and wrap the wire behind your ear. Then press the power button and start your session length. You can adjust the energy until you feel a comfortable pulse. I started around level 21 to 22, but it varies. A solid blue line confirms the Neuropod is active. And the optimal sweet spot is 15 to 30 minutes a session for 1 to 2 times per day. So I do 30 minutes in the morning while I work to boost my focus, then 30 minutes before bed to unwind and fall asleep faster. And the best part is, unlike other vagus nerve reset stimulation exercises like I showed you, the Neuropod is passive, meaning you don't need to do anything. You can simply wear it while you're working, watching TV, or cooking dinner. And Neuropod is the most studied wearable vagus nerve stimulation device, and it's been featured in the Netflix documentary Don't Die. It's proven in 50 plus clinical studies, including Harvard and UCLA, and has already been recommended by over 1,000 health professionals worldwide. With 0 serious adverse events in studies to date, Neuropod's proprietary ear stimulation avoids side effects associated with neck stimulation, like painful muscle spasms or heart rhythm issues. So if you're looking for the best vagus nerve stimulation device for stress, sleep, or focus, the Neuropod is the easiest way to regulate your nervous system. You can check the link in the description for a discount and a 30-day money-back guarantee. All right, that's your complete vagus nerve reset guide. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more quick science-backed hacks to look and feel your best. To continue your transformation, go check out the video post right down here where I talk Nervous System 101, how to reset, heal, and regulate it naturally. Thanks for watching, and keep living lean.